Geography then is a different part. Like one product could be successful in one part of the geography and might not be successful in another part, like in a different country. And the third way of how you would define whether your product can be successful and how you can achieve product market fit is by targeting the right users. So segmenting your users and saying your potential, like basically separating your potential targetable market into distinct groups, like based on the characteristics of those users that you are most likely to solve the relevant problem for. It's very easy to say your product is going to be for everyone. And most successful products, they achieve that. They actually are for everyone. But when they're starting out, they are hyper-focused on a specific target group to achieve product market fit with that target group first. It's very hard otherwise to be focused. Like if you say, I want to solve this problem for everyone, it's very hard for you to be able to prioritize different features that will solve the problem the best way for a specific target group. Usually you want to focus on one target group, make it successful, achieve product market fit, and then expand to more target groups. Let's take the Airbnb example again. When Airbnb started, it was targeted at rich people in, let's say, San Francisco, in cities in the US. And I think it was even specifically around conventions. So you would basically rent an Airbnb if you're going to a new city where suddenly all hotels are booked out because there is a convention happening. And that's where Airbnb basically saw their niche at first. That's how they basically perfected their product in a way that allowed it to scale. And now basically Airbnb is used by everyone. So this will also in the end define the success of your product. And lastly, the most important part is actually that it's not only the right problem for the right user, time also at the right time and the right geographical market. In the end, your product also needs to solve a particular need that people cannot get anywhere else and that they're willing to pay for. That last part, willing to pay for, is very important and very often ignored. Like you could have a product that is being used by a lot of people and still not be successful. Because like, let's say you have a mediocre product, it's being used by lots of people because it is free, but you will never be able to monetize it. Like, let's say the moment you start charging them, people are going to leave and they're going to go to the next best free option. That is not product market fit. Like you're not going to say I have product market fit because I have a lot of users. It needs to be like paying customers. You need to have recurring revenue. You need to have a good retention, like people that pay once, they're going to continue paying if it's a subscription model. So only if you find that sweet spot that I'm going to explain this in a second, then you will be able to, then you have yourself a winning product.